Messy cables can turn any home office into chaos, and simple cable management tricks can help you stay focused, save time, and reduce daily frustration. Before organizing, unplug all devices. Label each cable so you know what belongs to what. Measuring cable length helps you avoid unnecessary loops and clutter when reconnecting everything. Magnetic clips keep charging cables exactly where you need them. Group cables by purpose, like power or data, to simplify troubleshooting. Securing loose ends prevents cables from falling behind your desk. An under-desk tray hides power strips and adapters in one place. Velcro straps allow easy changes later, unlike zip ties. Routing cables along desk legs keeps them invisible and protected. Slim surge protectors save space and reduce clutter. Vertical mounting keeps plugs accessible and tidy. Always leave airflow around power bricks to avoid overheating. Cable management only works if you maintain it. A quick weekly reset keeps things neat. Store extra cables elsewhere and always recheck your setup when adding new devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, Quick Guides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.